See here, this is double line. Look at screen. Sharanya, Ruti, draw with low pressure, children. Draw with low pressure. You can see here, this is double line. And see this parallel line. Yes, Kriti. See here, very small curve. Both side. Three finger. Draw here double line. It's okay, Guti. Small to small size, no issue. Okay, Guti. It's okay. Try it because you have to try it. Trying is more important than perfection. Okay, Guti.
Ma'am, is this one?
One thumb gap here down and marking. And then you can see.
Okay, she's making it hard every minute.
Now see here, children, three finger gap and marking. Four finger, five finger gap and marking. I said okay. Look here, children, I'm going to draw this curve. Yeah, okay. And here is the mango.
Ma'am.
Show me.
Oh,
Which marking?
okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Teacher, is this okay?
Yes.
Ma'am, is this okay? Not too long. Let's do all the way down the leaf.
Yes, what?
Just that is a little bit. I'll tell you.
What we will draw here? With the help of scale. Look at screen.
Nice.
Nice. Correct. And see how I kept my scale.
Is it proper or shaky?
Here double line, children. So we are going to draw this handle of knife. But okay. So what we will do? Pretty, next step. Pretty did not say me next step. Here is the oval shape. And I'm going to draw, this is the knife. Look at sleeve here. Yes, pretty. Very attentively. Very good. Children, now see here. I started this shading. Joshita Jashwan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and see here, I started here shading. You have to keep rough paper below your hand always. Whenever we are doing shading, have to keep rough paper below your hand. Okay, and use pencil always with low pressure. Advika, why your headache?
I just do not know because I also feel like no, I
Isha, don't get distracted. And see here, children, everyone, we have to do with very, very low pressure, children. Okay? You have to check where I'm doing dark and where I'm doing light. And look here. Everyone look at screen. Look you also. Everyone look here. Whenever we are doing shading with pencil or with brush or with colors, anything, you have to use with small strokes. Don't draw directly big strokes. Okay? You have to always use small strokes. Okay? Like that small stroke we have to do. You can use fast. Fast you can use, but with small strokes. Okay? See how slowly I am going down. Okay? Don't try to finish fast. Hmm? Slowly, slowly we will increase speed. Not now because here we are learning. So go slow. And then later we will try, when I will say also, okay, now you have to increase speed. That time you increase speed also. And see here, a little bit I'm erasing in this.
ma'am, is this
Still do with slow routine. Keep
ma'am?
patience in this.
I like shading drawings than oil pastel actually.
That I understood when your mama is keeping status now. So I understood. Yes, routine like very much. Yes.
Yeah, because it's kind of easy now.
Actually, first time everything difficult. After that, it's becoming easy. So,
Yeah.
uh,
How is this fine?
Sharanya, and check here strokes also. It's like a A
Ma'am,
shape.
you are doing dark to light.
Yes, yes, correct. One side I finish. You can take brush here. Yes,
Teacher, I don't have a brush.
it's okay. Those have they can take. Okay. And you have to use your brush like this with low pressure. Okay, with very low pressure.
Ma'am, this
Yeah, normal painting brush. This is small area, so you take 0 number brush. Okay? See. Okay, Joshita, Jaswan. See, I'm using here 0 number brush or 1 number brush. Okay, Guti. Guti. Hello,
Mine's is
Guti.
mine's is not really working out.
Ah, yeah, maybe pencil is different, no? Maybe that's why. My pencil is very soft, no? So that's why I can blend it
No, ma'am.
properly.
My pencil